Hello everyone, welcome to Creatively Organized. Today's video I'll be sharing an after school snacks for kids. Today's recipe would be an egg dosa and ragi malt milk. Please do check out. Ingredients required for this egg dosa batter are 2 eggs, salt, red chili powder. This here is a pepper, fresh pepper to be grounded, and dosa batter. This dosa batter already has salt, so I'm not going to add any, and a bowl to mix your eggs. Let's see the method. So here are 2 eggs that I've taken in a bowl. In this I'm going to add a pinch of salt, a pinch of red chili powder, and pepper. Mix it all well. And it's ready to go onto the dosa batter. My pan is heated. I'll put the dosa batter. Spread it evenly. Pour some oil. Once it starts cooking, put the flame on the lower level. Start putting the egg onto the dosa batter. Try to spread it evenly onto the dosa. Now let it cook. As you can see, the sides are already brown and the dosa is ready to turn. Very gently turn it over and cook on the other side. This is the plate for my kid for today's video. These are the egg dosas, a few cashew nuts, dry figs, ketchup to eat the dosas with. I've put a few almonds here, and then a banana, and this here is milk, but it's not just chocolate milk, it's ragi malt milk, mixed milk. I give this to him every day. Cute little bear glass. It has a saying at the back. You make me happy. A glass of water, and this here is a water bottle. And this is a centerpiece on my table. So friends, this is how I arrange my kids' after school snack. I hope you all like the idea. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.